If you're managing several SaaS subscriptions, you know how chaotic it can get. One platform charges monthly, another yearly, and before long, you're wondering where all your money's going. Then a payment bounces, your access stops, and the whole day's wasted trying to fix it. Airwallex has a smarter way to handle this mess. Their virtual cards give you one clean system to track and manage every subscription without the usual confusion. In this video, we're going to walk you through how these cards work and how they can help you take control of your SaaS expenses again. So here's where it starts. You give every tool in your business its own identity. You can instantly create separate cards for all your subscriptions, your hosting, design apps, marketing platforms, whatever you use. Each one has its own number, expiry date, and security code, just like a real card. But the best part is, everything stays in your digital wallet. You always know which card is paying for what, so there's no more confusion when a charge shows up. Every payment makes sense. Once your cards are created and labeled, it's time to define their rules. You can set spending caps for any time period, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how you manage your expenses. Beyond that, you can also choose which types of merchants can charge that card. Maybe one card is dedicated to software subscriptions. You can configure it so only software-related payments are accepted. Anything outside that category will be blocked automatically. With that setup, every dollar has a clear purpose and no room for error. When you're using different cards from multiple banks, your spending feels all over the place. Airwallex changes that. It gives you one dashboard where all your transactions appear together, in real time. You can instantly spot what's being spent, where, and in which currency. And if your business runs internationally, this is a lifesaver. You can keep balances in currencies like USD or Euro and pay your SaaS tools directly from there. That helps you skip unnecessary currency conversions, avoid steep exchange rates, and save on bank fees. Now that everything's set up, you can pretty much let Airwallex take care of the rest. It connects directly to accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and NetSuite, and keeps everything running smoothly in the background. Every hour, your transactions from virtual cards flow right into your accounting books, automatically organized. You can even bring over your chart of accounts so your expenses are coded correctly from the start. Instead of fighting with spreadsheets, you get to focus on what actually grows your business. What makes this connection so powerful is the real-time awareness it brings. Every payment, every charge appears instantly on your dashboard. You can see exactly who spent, what, where, and when. This live visibility means if a vendor makes a billing error or a card is close to its limit, you'll know immediately. You can step in, make adjustments, and prevent financial surprises. You're no longer reacting to past mistakes. You're managing your spending as it happens. Traditionally, companies share one card among employees, but that approach causes confusion, slows things down, and exposes you to unnecessary risk. Airwallex lets you issue unique virtual cards to every team member who needs one. Each card can have its own spending limit, and every transaction is tracked automatically. You stay in control through the role management system. Employees can have simple access, spend and submit expenses. Finance managers can create new cards, adjust budgets, or monitor team activity. You can even build your own custom roles to fit your organization's exact needs. This structure not only improves accountability, but also streamlines workflows. Reimbursement becomes a whole lot easier when everything's managed in one place. With Airwallex, companies can track both corporate card expenses and out-of-pocket reimbursements in real time, across different teams and even countries. Employees can quickly submit their claims from the web or mobile app, attach receipts, and follow the status from start to finish. The built-in OCR technology automatically fills in receipt details, so there's less manual typing. Finance teams can set up custom approval steps based on spending limits to make sure every claim follows company policy before it's paid out. Once approved, employees get reimbursed fast, directly to their local bank accounts and in their own currency. Plus, with batch payments, finance can settle multiple reimbursements across currencies in one go, which saves time and keeps the whole process efficient. Every step we've talked about leads to a more resilient business structure. Virtual cards already offer a natural layer of protection. Since they don't exist physically, they can't be lost, misplaced, or stolen. Airwallex enhances that by giving you fine-tuned control over every transaction. Say you want to test a new software. You can issue a single-use virtual card designed for one payment only, which automatically expires afterward, so you're never stuck with recurring charges. If something doesn't look right, a strange charge, or a vendor you no longer trust, you can freeze or permanently delete that card instantly. None of your other cards or your main funds are touched. That's how Airwallex keeps your financial ecosystem both flexible and secure. So, if handling SaaS payments feels like a mess, Airwallex is one of those tools that can make it a lot easier. Instead of having all your subscriptions mixed together, you can give each one its own card, set spending limits, and track everything with zero confusion. Your bookkeeping updates itself automatically, so you always know where your money's going without digging through spreadsheets. It's a system built for how we work today: fast, flexible, and digital. And for startups, the Airwallex for Startups program adds even more value, including perks like fee-free currency exchange. You can find the sign-up link below. Try it out and let us know your experience in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.